Today I'm here to explore time. It is Seocheon Dongin Market. Why can you explore time here? Please watch this video until the end. Hello, I'm Rebecca of Orange Korea who tells you everything about Korea.
Auntie, where are you going?
I'm going to Seocheon Dongin Market. Since we are going to explore the time, Mugun, follow me well.
Time travel at the market. Auntie, let's go together. She always goes around alone.
This is a very famous oil tteokbokki at Dongin Market. It's very delicious.
So you're going to buy it for me? Auntie!
No, let's eat something else. Follow me.
Going alone again.
Mugun, it is.
Is there anything else?
Let's go in now. Mugun, Yeopjeon lunchbox is very famous here. You can buy all the food in the market with Yeopjeon.
Aunt Rebecca, what's up, John?
Yeopjeon is a brass coin used in Korea a long time ago. It is old money, so Koreans don't use it anymore. But now I'm going to go back to the past and buy all the market food with Yeopjeon.
That's true. Aunt Rebecca is an old person. It's not strange that old person uses old money.
Mugunga, now let's go to fill the lunch bags with market food. You can buy food with these coins.
Auntie, this is very interesting. Oh, that's why you said you can explore time in Dongin Market. As expected, my aunt is an old person. There are many delicious foods. Fried food tteokbokki, sweet and sour chicken dumplings. I'll eat them all. I think I can eat a lot today. I don't have to go on a diet, but my aunt. Please eat a lot today and go on a diet from tomorrow.
I will deal with you later, young man. If you travel to Seoul, I recommend you to visit Dongin Market. You can taste the Korean traditional food like this: japchae, kimbap, tteokbokki, 떡갈비, and rice.
Who the hell is aunt talking to?
Don't babble on, just eat it. Mugun, now that we've eaten, let's go eat traditional Korean drinks.
Auntie, are you going to eat shike? By the way, what is shike made of?
Shike is made from rice. It is a traditional Korean drink made by aging rice. Can you see the grain of rice here? I will eat it first. Mugun, I'm full. Shall we walk around the Seocheon?
Yes. is cute. Please, don't copy it. You look like a Chucky doll.
Mugung, let's eat bread here. Pick some. Here's today's tourist recipe. 1. Seocheon Tongin Market is very close to Gyeongbokgung Palace. It's great after visiting Gyeongbokgung Palace. 2. Oil tteokbokki is very famous in Tongin Market. I think it would be good to try it.
3. You can buy all the food with Yeopjeon at Tongin Market. With cash and credit cards, you can purchase the coins at the money exchange counter in the Tongin Market. The coins allow you to exchange all the food in Tongin Market. You can enjoy both Yeopjeon and Korean cuisine at the same time. 4. Seocheon, which is close to Tongin Market, has many things to see and eat such as good cafes, restaurants, and Hanok.
Today we come to Tongin Market where you can explore times through past coin Yeopjeon. If you travel to Korea, please visit Tongin Market. I'm Rebecca, a real Korean woman from Orin, Korea, who tells you everything about Korea. Subscription and alarm settings unlocked. Please press like too. Thanks for watching. See you next time with more information.